Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your life coach Archie, and today I have 10 time management tips and tricks just for you. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. Are you always late, and no matter how hard you try, you can never be on time? Do you struggle to find your belongings at the very last minute and get late? If the answer is yes, disorganization is one of the main reasons. And minimalism is the solution. Minimalism means having only as many possessions as needed so that life is easily manageable, and at any point of time you should be able to locate your things in your house by decluttering and organizing so that you can save time and be on time. Another reason could be procrastination. You postpone either because you're a perfectionist or you lack motivation. So you need to understand that perfectionism is just an illusion. Anything that is good enough is good enough. So stop postponing things and just get done with them. Another major factor could be lack of self-motivation, willpower, and self-control. These three things go hand in hand, and I'll be covering them in my upcoming videos. Another reason could be not being mindful. Have you ever wondered how you finish a pack of popcorn in no time while watching TV without realizing how much you ate? It's because you're not being mindful. You're not present in the moment. Similarly, if you're all over the place trying to achieve everything and land up doing nothing, it means you need to be more mindful of your time. Plan things ahead of time. Make a to-do list either at the start of the day or at the end of the previous day. Prioritize tasks, block time for each activity, use daily planners and timers to boost productivity. Always make sure to wear a watch to keep track of time. Also, journaling at the end of the day is very helpful. Just jot down your progress for the day and it will help you to plan better and to save time. Identify time-draining activities like social media, TV, phone, etc. Phone is the biggest time waster and distraction. So while you're working, you should always turn it off and keep it in another room if you don't need it. Whenever you're on the phone, make sure you wear your headphones so that you can multitask and you don't end up wasting your time. You could go for your walks, you could do some chores like cooking, folding laundry, and spending time on self-care. Unplanned shopping is another big time waster. Make sure to plan your meals, plan grocery list, plan shopping day ahead of time. And whenever you can switch to online shopping, it will help to save time and energy. We waste a lot of time in the kitchen too. First, we waste time in learning unhealthy recipes, and then we waste time in cooking elaborate dishes. If we could just eat simple and healthy food, we would not only save time but also would get healthy. For effective time management, we need to have good bedtime and morning routines so that we can sleep early and wake up early, otherwise we are not well rested and we don't have enough time for ourselves. If we sleep late, we wake up late and we have no time for workout or to cook healthy, fresh meals for ourselves. So we end up eating junk or fast food, and the time we could invest in ourselves, we end up spending in doctor visits. Don't bite more than you can chew. At times, we overschedule, we overcommit. We need to learn to say no. At times, we pack our weekdays as well as weekends with unnecessary activities. As a result, we are left with no time for important activities or some time to relax. We could manage time well by making a timetable for the chores for the entire week, like cleaning, laundry, grocery, etc. And you could also prepare for the whole week on Saturday itself by chopping veggies and preparing clothes for the entire week, and make sure to have Sunday for yourself to relax and rejuvenate. Balance is the key to effective time management. Remember how in schools they fitted those 8 classes so well together so that the students not only studied all the different subjects but also got time to eat and play on time. It's a classic example of good time management. So friends, another point to remember is try to delegate work. Don't try to do everything yourself and end up overworking. So hope it helps. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.